G'day vlog, today I'd like to introduce a new product from Companion. It's the Companion fridge stand. So it comes in a box like this. You also get a bag to put the fridge stand in. And this is the fridge stand here. It's made out of heavy duty aluminium frame. You just unfold it. Click. Click. And then set it up. You get a one of these stabilizer. Put it in there, and that's it. The stand is 44 centimeters wide, about 50 centimeters lengthway, and the height of it is, what is that? 33 centimeters. Okay, to unpack it as easy as that. Put it together again. There's a button here that you push. Because I don't have any fingernails left. That. Same thing. There you go. Cool. You put it in the bag and put it in the box and you're away. Thanks for watching.